So what's happening guys? Welcome back to another video. आज मैं सिखाऊंगा how to make a sphere in Solidworks. You can see in starting I will make a circle. You have to make it in front plane, and if you want to make it 1 centimeter, which means 10 mm, you have to give it double dimension. And if you want to make it 50 mm, you will give it 35 mm. 50 mm, you have to give it dimension 100 mm. Want to make it 10 mm, then I will give it dimension 20 mm. See, I will give it 20 mm. Sphere is very easy, and have to take a line. I will show you. You have to take a line, and we will give line, and you have to trim it. You have to trim this side, and it is now 10 mm. That means it is 1 centimeter. Now you have to take the revolve command, revolve boss base. Now 360 degree, and axis of revolution will be this line. See, now this is sphere. See, this is sphere. You can see. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Bye.